All right, next up, we're going to jump into the website page editor, and we're going to take a look at a couple of improvements. One of them is regarding drop-downs. So if you go into the design tab of the page editor and you click into page options, we've always had the ability to turn drop-downs off completely, but we have been getting requests for the ability to turn drop-downs off on a page-by-page basis. So I may want the drop-down, for example, to stay for my products page, but I may not want the drop-down for the about page. And the about page is tricky to disable that for, because that drop-down is not generated by having sub-pages. Or it is, but those sub-pages are not ones that you can manage. Those are ones that are dynamically inserted by the system. And it's typically, if I close out of my designer here, it's things like your privacy policy, your terms and conditions, your returns policy, or your decoration method information pages. So again, some people may want to disable that. So what is now possible, if you click into your Pages tab and select a page that you want to turn drop-downs off for, you can click down into Advanced Settings, and you'll find this drop-down menu option now available. So default will listen back to that global option that we looked at earlier, whether they're set to show or hide. And then there's these two new options here, either display or hide. So I could go ahead and set it to hide. That'll turn it off just for my about page. I could go ahead and save and publish that change. And that way I'll be able to keep my drop down for the products page, which I want, but turn it off for the about page. So a nice little improvement there.